Ever had a project derailed by a risk you didn't see coming? Delays, budget overruns, reputational damage. It's the nightmare every project manager fears. The Risk Management Pack gives you battle tested tools to stay ahead, customizable risk identification templates for any industry, dynamic probability impact matrices that auto score threats, step by step mitigation playbooks for high priority risks, and real time dashboards with automated alerts. Whether you're a startup team lead, enterprise PMO, agile coach, or hybrid project lead, this pack turns chaos into control. Imagine turning a potential disaster into a footnote in your project plan. Spoiler: spreadsheets won't be invited to this party. Here's what's inside the Risk Management Pack: risk identification frameworks for qualitative/quantitative analysis, dynamic risk matrices with color-coded probability impact grids, mitigation playbooks covering avoidance, transfer, reduction, and contingency strategies, real-time monitoring dashboards with Slack/Teams alerts, contingency planning templates for high SEV risks. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From threat detection to response execution, this pack doesn't just manage risks, it neutralizes them. Installing the Risk Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Risk Management Pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: identification templates, assessment matrices, mitigation playbooks, and monitoring dashboards. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows risk scoring frameworks, contingency triggers, and mitigation tactics. No need to panic when your boss asks, "What's your plan B?" Now, go turn those unknowns into knowns.